Hello, this is a walkthrough of all the options available for the Cloud Chat widget for Twitch. So first, to access the options, you'll go to the Settings tab, and the settings will be broken out into different sections. So this first section is actually for sending a test message, so just hit this button anytime you want to send a test. This currency settings section applies to tip alerts if you have alerts set to show. So you can select your language, and this determines how the currency sign will be displayed based on your language. And if you want to override the currency displayed, you can set this option to yes and enter the currency code for the currency you would like to see below. At any point to test sending a tip, you can go to the emulate button and hit the tip event. And all the other alert events are here as well if you want to send any tests. Under display settings, you have the option to show badges, which appear next to the username, roles, which will just display in text after the username, alerts. You can choose from a few alarm sounds. You can change the message limit, so currently it's 4. After a 4th message, the top one will fall off. You can increase or decrease that limit. This next option is for if you want old messages to fall off. Even if you haven't hit the limit, you want them to fall off just because they're old. Enter the number of seconds you want a message to stay up for here, and then it will disappear if it has been up for that number of seconds. 0 means the option is disabled, so the messages will stay up as long as they're within the message limit. You can choose to show or hide commands, so those are any messages that start with an exclamation mark. And you can specify any users you want to ignore here, so that's useful for bots or any StreamElements messages, just to keep the on-screen chat looking less cluttered. You can customize your alert messages, so if you want to change the way these are phrased or change the language, you can update those here. These username and amount values in brackets are variables, so they'll be replaced with the amount of whatever the action was. So as you can see here, username was substituted with Frankie and the amount was 9. So under colors and styling, you can change the font size as well as the emote size. You can change how transparent the widget is if you want to see a bit of your stream through it. And then you have all the colors, so you can change the username background and text color, the message background and text color, this border color, as well as the floating clouds and the sparkles, their colors. Also, at any point, if you want to increase or decrease the width or height of the widget, just drag on the border of the widget in StreamElements, and the messages auto adjust to the width. And those are all the options for this chat widget. Hope you enjoy it, and happy streaming.